No signal message appears on my TV. Why? When you see no signal message on your TV, this may be due to weak broadcasting signals. The screen can be blurry or fuzzy when the broadcasting signal is weak. When this happens, press the Home button on the remote control to go to Settings. Go to Quick Settings and click Open Channels. Go to Channel Tuning and click Manual Tuning. From Manual Tuning, select the channel you are currently watching. When the signal strength is lower than 50%, screen images may not be clear, or no signal message will appear. In this case, please make sure that all the cables are firmly connected to the back of the TV.